wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best milkshake makers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8, the brightly colored Nostalgia Electric MLK S100BL will add a fun retro feel to a kitchen, and its weighted base helps to keep it in place securely during use. Its high and low settings make it a breeze to customize the thickness of your creations. It comes with a stainless steel mixing rod and is a budget-friendly choice. However, it's not as powerful as many. At number 7, the Hamilton Beach 730C has a small footprint, and its convenient tilting head makes it easy to remove the spindle for cleaning. It's useful for making fluffy batters and beating eggs for omelets too, and comes with a booklet with recipes for tasty frozen drinks. It sports a cool retro look and a large 28-ounce mixing cup, but it is somewhat loud. Moving up our list to number 6, the style of the Oster chocomilera is reminiscent of 1950s soda shops. It starts up automatically when you insert the polished aluminum cup, and the 2 integrated agitators ensure the proper consistency for drinks and desserts. Its weighted base provides stability, and you can choose from 2 speeds. However, the color won't match all decor. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for milkshake makers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, while it's not technically a milkshake maker, there's no reason the Breville BSB 510 XL immersion blender can't be used as one. It has a powerful motor, can puree almost anything, and comes with a smoothie jug and a chopping bowl. It's great for making soups and sauces too, and the compact size allows for easy storage, but it can't be operated hands-free. Halfway up our list at number 4. No matter how little counter space your ice cream shop or restaurant has, the Waring Commercial DMC 180 DCA will still fit, since it's designed to be wall-mounted. With a high-performance 2-speed motor, it can pulverize any ingredients. It's less than 5 inches wide and capable of 24,000 RPM. It comes in a durable die-cast metal housing. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. In addition to drinks, the 3-spindle Hamilton Beach HMD 400 comes in handy for blending eggs as well as batter for pancakes and waffles. It features a convenient hands-free operation, and the removable cup guides are safe for the dishwasher. It's equipped with independently powered motors, a pulse setting for added control, and permanently lubricated ball bearings. At number 2, when not in use, the cup with the Waring Commercial WDM 120 can be kept on the base. It can stand up to daily use and is well suited for restaurants that make a lot of shakes throughout the day, but only need to produce one at a time. It comes with a butterfly agitator and a 3-speed rocker switch, and it can handle very hard ice cream. And taking the top spot on our list, the Hamilton Beach HMD 200 is durable enough for commercial use, yet its compact footprint also makes it suitable for homes. It's equipped with a powerful 1/3 of a horsepower motor and conveniently allows for manual and automatic operation. It features 3 blending speeds, dishwasher-safe components, and a 1-year warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for milkshake makers, or simply click beneath this video.